Hey guys, it's Paul's Trading here for day 4 of our Apex funding challenge. And today we made $100. Another achievement better than the day before. Today we entered 4 trades today actually. We entered 4 trades today, and 2 of the trades, right when we entered, we exited. It's my fault. I was trying to adjust my strategy in a way that would protect me from certain types of trades, but I learned today that that's not a smart idea. We could have made an extra $100 if I just left my stop loss where it was. So yeah, we're gonna fix that from now on. That's not gonna happen. And something amazing that happened today. Remember, I told you guys that I was working on a new strategy that I believe works. And today I actually utilized that strategy. You guys will see later, I entered a trade that you guys have never seen before with a $6 profit and a $3 stop loss. That's about a 2-to-1 risk reward, which is very good. Very good. 2-to-1 risk reward. 2-to-1 reward risk is very good. Usually I'm at a 1-to-5 reward risk, but today I entered a trade that's a 2-to-1 reward risk. And in that 2-to-1, we actually got $600 from that trade, but I moved my stop loss. So we actually got $400 from that trade. And then, I made a mistake and entered another trade that I thought had good potential, but it was a bad trade. It was my mistake. It didn't follow the rules I had for my strategy, and I should not have taken that trade, but I did take it. It's not very smart. I had multiple opportunities to exit at break even, but I just wanted to see if maybe I could change my strategy a little bit and include that. So I got too hopeful, and that's my fault. But from now on, no more mistakes on that strategy. So today we ended up making $100. We made $400 from one of my new trades and we lost $300 from another trade. So that's not horrible, but I know I could do better. I know I can do better. And hopefully you guys will see tomorrow, instead of plus 100, you'll add an extra 0, so plus $1,000. That is my goal. Another announcement that I'm going to do is I created another strategy today. So now I have 4 strategies, 1 which I originally was trading and 3 I recently created. So you guys probably could tell my strategy. One of them is a 2-legged pullback. That's the original one I used. The second one was a triple-legged pullback, which is very unique. I know it kind of doesn't make sense, but that's what I'm going to do from now on. A triple-legged pullback is one of my strategies. Look, right? And then we also have a support resistance strategy that's also pretty unique in my opinion. I don't know how many trades you guys will see from that one. That one kind of doesn't happen that much, but we did create that as well. And then we also created today a RSI stochastic strategy that I'm going to implement as well. An RSI stochastic divergence strategy. So I'm going to implement that as well starting tomorrow. And one key thing about all these strategies I created is that I may need to have to trade outside of the time periods I said I would in my description. The reason why is because these type of trades are kind of rare. They don't happen that much. And there's so much profit I could get that I might have to enter. And because the trades take so long to exit and enter, it doesn't require that much work up front. So I can kind of just go to my computer, check up on it every 30 minutes, and I'll be fine. But the times I will trade will be outside of market hours. So it won't be around, any time outside of my normal trading up to 1 o'clock. It'll be like sometime at like 7 or 6 or 7, 6, 8, 9, something like that. Western time, of course, because I'm on Western time. So 7, 6, 9, or 8, maybe I might enter a trade or two and just let it sit for like 30 minutes to an hour, maybe even 2 hours, and see where that takes me. But I will never trade in market hours outside of the times I told you guys, outside of 8:10 to 9 and 6:35 to 7:20, except like maybe 10, 15, 5 minutes outside of those periods, which is just like random times I might have to do something. But outside of like a 10, 15-minute change, I will never trade outside of those times. Market hours, unless I stated before market opened that I'll be doing that. However, I will be trading sometimes outside of market hours to like enter like some type of trade. And another thing is that before I enter those type of trades, like before I enter a trade outside of market hours, outside of the normal time that I tell you guys, I'm going to prove that I can't edit my account to change the balance and that I can't delete the account. I'm going to be proving that so you guys know that I'm not trying to like not show transparency or like trade outside of times. And you guys can look right now. This was one of my new strategies I created. We're at like 300 profit in like 5 minutes. Like it was insane. We had one very, very big red candle to the downside. It was awesome. I got kind of scared and moved my stop loss, as you guys just saw. So that was kind of annoying, and it stopped me out eventually. You guys will see. But if I left it in, we would have hit my profit at $6. So yeah, I feel even more confident about my strategies now. I'm so ready to implement them in the next coming days. And after I teach you guys the original strategy, I'll be teaching you guys these strategies that I recently created as well. And so you guys can wait for that. So yeah, that's basically what happened today. I might take a trade after hours, but before I do, I'll make sure to prove to you guys I can't edit my account before and after, so you guys know that. If I do trade after hours, it will be the first part of my video, so you guys will see it during announcement section. So yeah, that's basically it. And I hope you guys learned something from my trading. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for our last day of trading for the week. Peace out.